crazy. Scotch eggs aren't even Scottish. They sure are good weird though. First, make mashed potatoes. Traditional Scottish eggs have a hard-boiled egg wrapped in sausage, and we're gonna do it with a just egg patty wrapped in mashed potatoes, wrapped in BE Hive Breakfast Sausage. Divide your sausage and cook your eggs. And when your potatoes are cooled, you're gonna roll some around a piece of just egg omelet into an egg shape and put them in the freezer for like an hour. Take a plastic bag or parchment paper, make them into a little envelope to flatten your sausage in. Press it super flat and place your potato egg in there, wrapping the whole thing up in sausage. And you're just gonna keep doing this until you run out of your weird little potato eggs. Make a dry, wet, and panko mix, and then you're gonna bread them. Dry, wet, and then panko. Once they're all done, you're gonna fry them until golden brown. These are traditionally thought of as like a picnic snack, so throw a few in your pocket, Napoleon Dynamite style, share them with your friends, and enjoy.